When your AC's not working or there's an emergency plumbing problem, Malek Service is ready to help. Serving Houston, Jersey Village, and Katy, we're licensed plumbers and trusted electricians who specialize in residential plumbing services, toilet repairs, and water heater installations. Plus, if you need reliable AC service or a friendly AC company to get your system back on track, our experienced team has got you covered. Trust Malek Service for fast responses and dependable results. Don't stress. Call us for more information today, and we'll get things running smoothly again.